Hey guys, this is Ankush. In this video, I'm going to teach about networks. So you can think internet as a combination of link and connecting devices. But internet is really a complex thing. Internet is a networks of networks. So by simple analogy, you can think the internet like that, but internet is a complex thing. So you are in some network, say you are in network A, and you have a device that is also A, and you run some applications, say computer browser Google Chrome, and you made a request to open a web page. So this request is go through the internet and it reaches to the server machine, that is B, that is in different networks, say somewhere in California, and it will respond to you with the actual web page. So this is the way the network, the communication is going in the networks. Switching is the main thing in networks. Okay, by means of switching you transfer or deliver the message. In the previous discussion it is clear that the passage, a a message from a source to destination involves many decisions. When a message reaches a connecting device, a decision needs to be made to select one of the output ports through which the packet needs to be sent out. In other words, the connecting device acts as a switch that connects one port to another port. Now, three types of switching is there: packet switching, circuit switching, and mix switching. Okay. In circuit switching, the whole message is sent from source to destination without being divided into packets. So, in circuit switching, first circuit is made, that is, the path is made before sending the packet, and if once the path is decided, then send the whole message through that path. So a good example of circuit switch network is the early telephone network system, in which the path is established between the caller and the callee. When the telephone number of the callee was dialed for caller, when the call is gone to the whole circuit was established. The voice message could now flow between the two parties, both directions, while all the connecting devices maintained the circuit. When the caller and callee hung up, the circuit was disconnected. The telephone network is not only a circuit switch network today, not only totally circuit switch networks. Okay. One thing is to be noted: that packet switching, the message is first divided into manageable packets and at the source before being transmitted, and the packet is assembled at the destination. So before transmission, the packet is divided, the message divided into packets, and at the destination the packet is complete. The network layer is designed for packet switch networks. This means that packet at source is divided into manageable packets, normally called the datagrams. Individual datagrams are then transferred from source to destinations. They receive datagrams assembled at the destination before recreating the original message. This is done in the network layer, and then it is served to the transport layer. The packet switch networks, the network layer of the internet was originally designed as a connectionless service. Okay, but recently there is tendency to change this connection-oriented service to connection-oriented service. So, topic to be discussed is connectionless service and connection-oriented service. Connectionless service is some kind of like this. There is sender, there is receiver. A connection packet switch networks. So, say the whole message divided into 4 packets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 4 packet traverse through different paths, and after getting the actual destination, they assemble together, and this is the forward processing. This is done by the interconnecting device router, and the connectionless packet switch networks go like this. The connection oriented packet switch networks, that is, the whole message go through a path. This path can change at any time, so this is called virtual circuit. In circuit switching, once the path is established, the path cannot be changed. Okay. So this is the thing. In connection oriented packet switch network, the forwarding decision is made on the level of the packet. So by means of virtual circuiting, they send the packet, and this is the case. Set up an acknowledgement in the virtual circuit networks. there's an ACK packet. Okay, after receiving the things, they send the ACK packet, and that packet is actually sent back to the sender, and this is the things. So in connection oriented case, first they set up the things, then they transmit, then they tear down the things. Now in this section, network layer services, we'll discuss about the logical addressing, service provided by the source computer, service provided by each routers on the destination computers. So this is the thing how data go. So Alice sends some message, and you have regionalized speed. There is a router, and they use connectionless or connection oriented packet switching. They divide the packet, and you from after getting reached to the router 1, the packet is assembled and then again divide, then nationalized piece, then again assemble, then again divide, and after finally go to the Bob computers. The upper layer, from the upper layer we get the network layer packaged, and then package is divided into datagrams or the whole packet. Then find the logical address by means of routing tables, and find the MAC address. The up protocol is used, and this is the processing at each routers. Other service is that in network layer there is error control technique, flow control technique, congestion control, routing, security. So there is error checking at every intermediate device, and this is enough for today. And this is the course for network layer, and next day we'll go through the next layer, that is transport layer. Thank you for watching. If you guys really like this video, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.